Vehicle? Check out 2010 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.